Hello traders, welcome to today's video on Thursday the 16th of November, and may I present to you the Bears' last chance, the Bears' only hope right now in this rampant bull market that we have been seeing for now is exactly 1 month. So if we take you back over to the ETF test pump, which invalidated any bearish scenario, I went from being fairly neutral to very bullish. When we had that move up, this is what you see. Everyone started to get short there because they were like, oh, fake news. No, it's not. You're going to get continuation. That is the kind of market that we're in. Then, yeah, we are 1 month to the day since the Bears got killed. And now we are seeing probably the only opportunity right now in the charts. This is a trade that I personally have taken, simply for the fact that I am heavily exposed into long positions, especially on altcoins, spot positions particularly. So not longs, but spot, but a few longs as well. And yeah, this serves as a nice hedge. Okay, so what we have seen is a move up to take out internal liquidity that comes into excess from this wick when we first tested 38k. Now, do I think it's going to play out, and do I think that we're going to be coming down here? No, I do not. However, it is there, it is a possibility, and it is low risk. So whilst you may only have a 10-15% chance of this actually playing out, because I do think that we're probably just going to do this, it can act as a hedge. And at least, even if you just want to scalp that little move before getting out and then seeing what happens later, let's say we come down, we lose our weekly open, and then you can get back into shorts and you just play this progressive thing down and down and down. Then it's one of those where, yeah, your invalidation is very close here, so it was worth a try at the very least as a hedged position. I still remain bullish. Okay, the market is bullish. We are 1 month, like I said, since the thing that really sparked this move, and it would be very unusual, very irregular for this to only last that long. A trending move 6 to 8 weeks maybe, and then you're looking at altcoins which are already starting to run. Even if we drop into a range here, it still remains quite bullish, because then what would you be looking at? You'd be looking at sweeping lows and then continuation higher anyway. So yeah, I do get the feeling, not that we can trade off of a feeling, but I am still with a bullish bias. We are in an uptrend, and these highs do seem to be looking like they're going to be taken. What we have seen so far today as well is we are getting some, again, again, like we saw down here, some bullish CVD divergence at the lows. We are seeing an increase in open interest, and it is a majority of short positions opening where we're essentially at support right now. Okay, so we had that grind up. You closed at a high of the day, so our daily open is pretty high right now. So a test of that again, once again, could provide some short opportunities. But we have our weekly open as support. We are maintaining this bullish market structure. We are holding within this zone here without really coming back into these imbalances, and I think that's quite important. So as long as we are holding here above that 37k, then I do think that there is a strong probability that this continues in an upwards fashion as we go into the rest of the day. So we have to be aware of what's going on legacy markets as well. ES yesterday, whilst also in a very nice uptrend, was kind of choppy. It's been seeing a bit of a pullback overnight here, so it had the move up, messy chart here. But we're at major resistance on the ES. We're at major resistance on the NASDAQ. Anyone who's in the crew, we've been doing the trading rooms, we've been explaining what that is, and I will be doing a live stream actually pretty soon, because this video is coming to you fairly late today. So I will be doing a live stream today for the New York Open. So we'll see where we're at then, and we can start to analyze this a little bit more. But for today, okay, what I want to see, and what I always like to see on something like this, is shallow retrace. So right now, clearly shallow retrace, the 382 would be the maximum that I would want to see really from here, and that does bring us down to repair some of the imbalances that we have below us. Below that, okay, we've got our previous day open that's around the golden pocket, and then that retraces the majority of the move that we've seen up here. So do we see consolidation and we just are continuing to trade within this larger range? I would, at that stage, if we do get a deeper retrace, when you're in a trending environment, a deeper retrace normally means that it's the start of something that's a bit more corrective, and then you'd be looking for a move down, similar to what we saw here. Okay, so as soon as we got that deep retrace, if we'd have been holding here, fine, you go and take the highs. But as soon as you start to lose that and you get a deeper retrace back down, the chances are you're going to be coming and taking some lows. So yeah, we've seen the previous week low taken already down here. Our previous week high is up here. And whilst we are getting this consolidation with shorts opening on increasing open interest, there is the potential that that could once again squeeze here. So in a short position, but still heavily long overall, exposed into spot assets on the altcoins. And I think that continuation is still, despite the fact that this is a decent trade, is the more likely scenario. Not too much more to update on this chart. If we take a look at our week so far, I guess the point of control for this, that lands around that 382 that I was just saying. So we've got these imbalances below, and yeah, we have the POC down there. So right now we had that move outside of value area. We're kind of caught back inside it. Weekly open acting as some support, but coming through these single prints, go on to the 30-minute, single prints here, back into that POC, similar to what we did for the range as a whole. Hitting the POC would be, for me, the area that I would be probably looking to reduce my short position and start to look for longs again. But your invalidation's all the way down here, so you do have to be aware that you want to see something local going on like this, that you can use this as an invalidation, and then you're looking for a move higher once again. That is everything I really have to say on Bitcoin. Like I said, live stream very soon. We'll go into some more detail on it then. Until then, have a great day, and I will see you soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.